Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In today's video, we will learn on how to sign in and out of OneDrive. It's an easy and simple process, so make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping. Now let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar type OneDrive. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having this URL. Now to sign into your account, you can tap on the sign in button which is on the top right of your screen, or you can tap on the sign in button. And here you need to provide your email or phone or Skype with which you have created your account. I have created my account using my email, so I need to provide my email address here. And when that's done, tap on the next button. And now you need to provide your password. So type your password in the text field given for your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on this text forgot password. Now tap on sign in button. If you want to stay signed in this browser, tap on yes. And guys, there you have it. This is how you sign into your OneDrive. Now let's learn how to sign out. To do so, simply tap on your profile icon which is on the top right of the screen. Now again on the top right of this window, there's a text that says sign out. And that is what we are looking for. So tap on sign out. And there you have it. We have successfully signed out of OneDrive. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up to let me know and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.